How to enable notification on the Ring app. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily enable notifications on your Ring app. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is have the application. Go ahead and search for it on the Play Store. So Ring app is a mobile and desktop application that works like a Ring's line of home security products such as video doorbells, security camera, and alarms. Now, once you download the application from here, you just want to open it up. And after you have registered your device, including your phone number and your email, you will be logged into your account. And if you have set up any device like a camera, doorbell, or anything like your pet tags and all of these, it will show up on your home screen. Now, if you want to enable your notification, you first need to tap on the hamburger menu on the top left corner and you'll have different options here. You just want to head over to the control center where you'll find your notification options. Just wait for it to load. And once your control center is open, you can just go ahead and scroll down until you find the notification preference settings. Just tap on it. And once you do that, you'll find these two options. The first one is the general notification where you get emails from Ring. And here you'll get a notification about new products and all of these stuffs. And if you want a push notification on the app itself, you can tap on the mobile phone. And then from here, you can enable all of these options. Make sure all of these are turned on. And even if you have done this and you're still not able to get the notification, then it's most probably that you have turned off the entire notification for this. So head over to the app info. And as you can see, your notifications are blocked. So make sure that this is turned on. And if you go to notification categories, make sure all of these options are turned on as well. And once you do that, you should be getting the notification on your Ring app. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.